ICD offers ongoing support through our technical, sales, and marketing teams. ICD's technical department offers quick resource guidance, educational courses, and resources. These provide a proactive approach to ensure successful product application and maintenance. ICD's marketing department regularly improves physical and digital product collateral and communicates best use practices. The sales department offers training sessions to reinvigorate customers with product knowledge to boost their sales. You can clearly see we care about customer education and success. We also facilitate education for anyone who may engage with our products. We do this to streamline communication and bridge gaps, accelerating the sales process.
Thank you again for joining us today. I encourage you to connect with one of our awesome team members